हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ओडिशा डिजिटल लर्निंग। तो आज हमें क्लास 9 रो चैप्टर 4 द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया रो क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करिबा। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। तबे डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम किए तो ता आंसर देखो। डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिस्टिंग्विश्ड साइंटिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। तबे डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जड़े भारतर प्रख्यात वैज्ञानिक। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई इज डॉक्टर कलाम नोन एज द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया। तेबे कहीं डॉक्टर कलाम भारतर क्षेपणास्त्र मानव भाव में परिचित अटंती। तो आंसर देखो, डॉक्टर कलाम इज नोन एज द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया फॉर हिज आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ इंडियन सिविलियन स्पेस प्रोग्राम and military missiles development. Then question number 3, where was he born when? तबे से कोठार जन्म ग्रहण करथिले आ केबे जन्म ग्रहण करथिले। आंसर, he was born on 15 October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameswaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. Then question number 4, who were his family members? Answer, his parents, 3 elder brothers and 1 elder sister were his family members. Then question number 5, who were his father and mother? Answer, his father was Jainuddin and mother was Asiamma. Then question number 6, what was his mother? ताल तार आंसर कौन हो? His mother was a housewife. Then question number 7, how did his father earn his living? Answer, his father earned his living by carrying Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi in his ferry. तबे तांको बापा तांको परिवार प्रतिपोषण पाई से तांको डंगारे हिंदू तीर्थयात्री मानक रामेश्वरम एवं धनुष्कड़ी मध्य नवा आनिबा करुथिले। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, वेयर कलाम्स एंसेस्टर्स रीच अर्थ। तब आंसर कौन हो? कलाम्स एंसेस्टर्स वेयर रिच। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हाउ डिड ही एड टू हिज फैमिली? आंसर, he added to his family by selling newspaper. Then question number 10, what was the third paragraph about? Answer, the third paragraph is about Kalam's elementary education. तबे थर्ड पैराग्राफ टी कलाम कर प्राथमिक शिक्षा विषय दर्शाई। Then question number 11, where did he get his primary education? तो आंसर है he got his primary education in Ramnathpuram. Question number 12, who was his science teacher? Answer, Shiva Subramania Iyer was his science teacher. Then question number 13, what was he like? Answer, he was like to enjoy his teacher's love and affectionate. Then question number 14, what did he invite Kalams for? Answer, he invited Kalam for a meal. Then question number 15, how did he react to it? Answer, his wife disliked it and refused to serve a Muslim side like Kalam. Question number 16, what changed her attitudes? Answer, Kalam's behavior, his way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitudes. Then question number 17, how did she behave him later? Answer, later on when her husband invited Kalam for the second time, he welcomed his and served him food. Then question number 18, who does he in the third sentence of paragraph 3 refer to? तेबे ता आंसर हे जिवो ही इन द थर्ड सेंटेंस of paragraph 3 refer to Kalam's science teacher शिव सुब्रमण्य आयर बुझेला तापर देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 the fourth paragraph is about his answer secondary education and high education then question number 20 was he good at studies at the high school answer in his school years he had average grades but he was considered a bright and hard-working student who had a strong desire to learn. Then question number 21. What was Kalam's dream in life? Answer. Kalam's dream in life was to become a pilot. Then question number 22. What did he do to fulfill his dream in life? Answer. He applied for studying engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology to fulfill his dream in life. Then question number 22. Do you have any dream? How can you fulfill your dream in your life? यदि तुमर कोनोसी स्वप्न अछि तो ताको तुमे केपरि साकार करिवो ता तुमे तळे निजे दर्शैबो हला. देन देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. What problem did he face for his admission into engineering? तबे कालाम जेतेबे कोन इंजीनियर पढ़िया पई से प्रवेश कले से समय से कोन असुविधार सम्मुखीन होइथिले. Answer. The course fee for admission into engineering was around 1,000 rupees, but he did not have it. That was the problem he faced at the time for his admission. Then question number 25. Who came to his help? How? Answer. Asim Zahra, his compassionate elder sister, came to his help. She mortgaged her gold ornaments and provided money for his admission. Then question number 26. When did he complete his aerospace engineering? Answer. He completed his aerospace engineering in 1960. Then question number 27. Name the institute where he got. तो आंसर इज वो फर्स्ट बिट सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन स्क्वाश हायर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन. देन ग्रेजुएशन इन फिजिक्स कोडी करथिले ना से सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉलेज तिरुचिन्नापल्ली. थर्ड बिट एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग Madras Institute of Technology. Then question number 28. The paragraph 5 and the paragraph 6 describe Dr. Kalam's career as answer an aerospace scientist. Then question number 29. How did he begin his career? Answer. He began his career as a training at Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, HAL in Bangalore. Then question number 30. Where was he appointed as a scientist first? Answer. He was appointed as a scientist first in the Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO. Then question number 31. When did he start his work in the Indian Space Research Organization? Answer. He started his work in the Indian Space Research Organization in 1969. Then question number 32. What was the purpose of satellite launch vehicle? Answer. The purpose of satellite launch vehicle was to develop the technology to launch the satellite. Then question number 33. When was the first Rohini satellite launched into the orbit? The first Rohini satellite was launched into the orbit in 1980. तबे प्रथम रोहिणी उपग्रहटी केबे ना 1980 मसिया रे ताको लॉन्च कराइतला. Then question number 34. How many years did Kalam spend in the ISRO? Kalam spent 19 years in the ISRO. Then question number 35. Where did he take the leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program? Answer. Dr. Kalam took the leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program in DRDO. Then question number 36. What made him extremely popular in the country? Answer. Kalam's contribution for the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag, made him extremely popular in the country. Then question number 37. What was he called after the success of 4 missiles, Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag? Then answer dekho. He was popularly called the Missile Man of India after the success of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. Then question number 38. Why did he camped in Rajasthan Third Desert? Answer. He camped in Rajasthan Third Desert to survive the Pokhran second nuclear test. Then question number 39. What according to Dr. Kalam was the defining moment in the history of our country? तो आंसर देखो. According to Dr. Kalam, the success of Pokhran second nuclear test in Rajasthan Third Desert was the defining moment in the history of our country. Then question number 40. Why was it very hard to camp in Rajasthan Third Desert? Answer. It was very hard to camp in Rajasthan Third Desert because it was hot day and the temperature at Pokhran was 53 degrees Celsius. Then question number 41. What are Kalam's contribution for India's defense program? Answer. Kalam took the leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons. Those were his contribution for India's defense program. Then question number 42. Dr. Kalam was the chief scientist advisor to Dash of India's. So answer is the Prime Minister. Then question number 43. What awards and honors was Kalam honored with? Answer. Kalam was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the nation's highest civilian honors, the Bharat Ratna in 1997 by the Government of India. Then question number 44. What is the highest civilian award of our country? Answer is the highest civilian award of our country is the Bharat Ratna. Question number 45. How did Kalam pass away? Kalam passed away due to massive cardiac arrest. Then question number 46. Why will people of our country remember Kalam forever? Answer. The people of our country will remember Kalam forever for his dedication, devotion and selfless service to the nation. Then question number 47. What qualities of Dr. Kalam do you like very much? Answer. I very much like Kalam's dedication, devotion and selfless service to the nation. Question number 48. Can you say the name of some eminent scientists who have contributed a lot of to our country? ମୁଁ ଚାର୍ଟି ଲେଖିଛି ଆଉ ତୁମେ ଚାହିଁଲେ ଅଧିକ ଲେଖିପାରିବ। ତ ଦେଖ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବିଟ୍ ଶ୍ରୀନିବାସ ରାମାନୁଜନ, ଦେନ୍ ଦେଖ ବିକ୍ରମ ସାରାଭାଇ ଆଉ ହମି ଜାହାଙ୍ଗୀର ବାବା, ସତ୍ୟେନ୍ଦ୍ରନାଥ ବୋଷ ଏଟसेट्रा। तो आई थिंक दिस वीडियो इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। जदि तुम भावुच भिडियोटी तुम अत्यंत उपयोगी अटे तेज भिडियो को लाइक कर, शेयर कर एवं सब्सक्राइब कर। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।